haka program bala pelong benta kasni Shnong Lelad East Giant Hill District kabade ka program kabade ba kajing temu ban pene pensa yak mariang bala pelong Daka office jong divisional soil and water conservation officer East Giant Hills District kadekat jong self help group kaba Shnong Lelad kakong nikyarwan sutenga kababu Daka dorkhas hakamat kakong Santa Mary Shila Bad Hakamat Deputy Commissioner Shivan Awasti IS Bad Hak ka dorkhas ka SHG kabana Shnong Lelad kalapan pau ka jingshah kya halor ka jingshah ktah haki Kharkhana Coke katkum ka dorkhas balabu Daka self-help group Lelad lakin tujur ya kokong Santa Mary Shila bad ya Deputy Commissioner bakin shim ya kilat panyada ya ki Shnong ki thau banlan na ki jingma ki baap ya ka jing embryo namar kom ki nong shnong man la kamien kim juyo thia suk namar ka jing shakta hakili jaklia ki ba mi na ki Kharkhana Coke ni da sngau kuslai hado kata haba ni phai shakakwat ka khia jong ki khon ki kti bat ka ba ap jingma ya ka lawe pat ya ka mariang lada kandang yai long khom ni kane ka chaka bangishong ngisa hakane ka than kan sapoi ka por bak kanum long shu yaki briu bat kimrat man shong ban sa namar ka bu jingma yaka jingem la pen pau haka dorkhas nakaliang ka SHG Lelad ka kentu jur yaka kong Santa Mary Shila bat ya Deputy Commissioner bakin Island ya ka jingkershan hakane ka jing persha ya ki Kharkhana Coke ki ba penmi ya ka tadam bat kle jaklia bat ong bakani shisha kade ka sinjam ka ba than ba ken yada bat banlan na ka jingshah ktah ha ka kwat ka khia bat ka jingbet jingbyang ka Shnong ka tha ki jaklia ki mi na ki Kharkhana Coke ki bu jingma kabala ban wanra ya ka jingpang ka bakta ya ka jingring bat penhiar mensim kala jaklia kan penjat penjulor ya ka mariang saudong la benrap bat kenturu ya ki bor badai khmi bakin pet benya bha bat ban khangdam no shisendon ya ki Kharkhana Coke ki ba pentre bean ke SHG Lelad kabu ya ka jingnawa naka MLA bat na Deputy Commissioner badai ban pentikna ban penyo ya ka khut ka suba ka ban wan rai ka kwat ka khia ha Shnong thau ban lat nya ka le jaklia ka ba mi na ki Kharkhana Coke kumban shu ben ram ka MLA jong ka sutra saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shila bat Deputy Commissioner Shivan Awasti ha ka ka program ha Lelad kilakran shibun ki ki bedai bat kamariang bat pene pensa yaki ki wa yaki klau ki batam bat kilat ban kentiu yaki Shnong lengba ka pradhan mantri krishi sinchai yojana bat hakaba kumkani ka program la 1 dan Daka dorkhas ka badawa man khangno yaki Kharkhana Coke ki ba pentre bean ki ba penmi yakal ka ba jaklia ka bala man ktah ya ka kwat ka khia jong ki nong shnong ka than Lelad.
We are deeply worried about our children's health and the future of our environment. If this continues, our area will no longer be fit for human survival and even animal life will be at risk. Our appeal to you, Madam and Sir, is to support us in this protest against pollution from coke factories, as this is a critical step towards safeguarding the health and well-being of our community. The harmful emissions from these factories pose severe risks, including respiratory diseases, ecological damage, and long-term environmental degradation. It is imperative that you, as the authorities, enforce strict regulation, shut down illegal operation, and promote sustainable development over hazardous industrial activities. By standing united, we can demand accountability and ensure a cleaner, healthier future for our community. Sir, Madam, I think our community, our village is the most affected one. Thank you so much from village organization Lelad.